it's not enough for the bread. I have no choice but to hack an ATM. Non-sketchy Jim, I'm back. ATM controller? Buy it.
You sure you want to buy this item for $100? Talk to me again to buy it.
Okay, how do I use this thing? What do I gotta do? Did I just get scammed? Because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna let me return it. Wait, we don't even have an ATM here. Do we? I don't remember seeing this either. This was not here 5 seconds ago. Ain't no way. Telephone booth? Please do not paint this booth blue. Seriously, really weird things happen if you do. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm gonna do that, just not right now. I need to find an ATM. Was there one inside this store? Storage, employees only. No, oh. No, that's a soda machine. ATM! Perfect! Close your eyes, Rachel. I'm doing some testing here, don't worry. I'm just... Stupid controller. It's so big. I swear, if this stupid brand doesn't give me anything, I'm gonna be so mad. And then I'll probably come back and prank Rachel again. No! Stop! Oh, Rachel, yeah, okay, you didn't hear that. Don't worry, I'm just gonna prank you again. It's okay. Come on, hurry up. I think I did it. I got enough. I don't even need this money. You keep it. Keep it as a tip, okay? Give me my bread. Full inventory? No, what do you mean full inventory? Stop, don't do me like that. I got all this money, I can't do anything with it. Don't worry about that. Okay, that was nothing. Anyways, bread? Finally? Give me the bread. Yeah, I'm sure I want to buy it. Shut up and give me the bread, Rachel. I don't want to hear another word. Just give me the bread. I have bread. Okay, I don't know what's good about this bread. I don't know where I'm meant to go. I guess I just eat it. But where should I eat it? It's really expensive, so I should probably pick a really cool-looking spot to eat it or something. Like, whoa! Sorry, guys. I just got scared. It's a scary cave. The scariest cave I've ever seen in my life. I'm out of breath. Yeah, that'd be perfect, I think. I'll eat the bread at the scary cave. Wait, this cave isn't even scary. What are they talking about? Oh, okay. They mean this fella. It's not that scary. I don't get it. Stop doing that to me. It's a scary cave lake. That's terrifying. Wait. This thing up. What? This item? You want me to give you my $175 slice of bread? How can I say no to a face like that? Look at him. Look how cute he is. Okay, you can take my $175 bread. He ate it. You can... Puddles, stop. Puddles. No. Stop. Stop! Puddles! I don't want to hear you play this. Stop it. No! And then... Quack. I just spent like 20 minutes to hear a duck play a trumpet. That was probably the biggest waste of time of my entire life. In fact, I think I need to find a time machine or something to just get that time back. But honestly, Rachel, shut up. Listen, you got any time machines or anything close to a time machine that I can borrow? I got a really important mission. Wait, what the telephone booth? Those are usually time machines. Please do not paint this booth blue. Not painting the booth blue. And there's nothing you can do to stop me. How much was the paint again? I think it was like $30 or something, right? $20. Perfect! Okay, I got the paint! Let's paint this stupid thing! Wait, turn it into a police box? What's a police box? Is that a British thing? I don't get it. Am I gonna go in and get a bottle of water? Excuse me? Have you got a bottle of water I can borrow? What is this? Future? Past? Hold on. This is a time machine! Yo! Okay. Where do I go? Okay, if I could go to the future, and then, I'm going to the past. That's way too much thinking. Like, what if I go to the future? Then, like, what if I'm still delivering packages or so? I don't know. I don't care. Just take me to the past, okay? I need my time back. Find me. Piece of bread. Yo! I traveled back in time! A little too far, though. This is not what I wanted. I wanted, like, 15 minutes, not 15 years. What do I do now? VIP? Your store? What's going on? Yo! Wait, maybe Rachel's in here! Clerk? What are you, like Rachel's dad or something? What's going on here?
Hi! Wants to buy something?
There's nothing to buy. What are you talking about? You okay? You know what, I'm just leave. Okay, these people are weird. I need to find the way back immediately. Wait! A person! Everything well enough? Wait, bully? Hey there, punks! I'm way better than you! I want you to know that I'm cringing so hard right now. Did cringe exist 15 years ago? Was that a word? I don't know. But listen, one day you'll understand, okay? I have been waiting for my package. Please bring it to me when you see it. What? Wait! I can do that! That's my job! I'm the package delivery guy! Okay, the package. Where's the package, though? I haven't seen anything. Wait! How did I miss that? There's one right here. I'm gonna steal this now, okay? Thank you. Now I just gotta do my job. Deliver the stupid package. Cool noobs. Hi. Do you want your package or what?
So my God, is that what it was about?
It has no ideas what I ordered, bro. Okay. Thanks, bro. By the way, I lost some items. What? Can you collect them and put them in that box over there? No, I can't. I will give you 4 Roblox points. Roblox points? What is that? Okay, I'll do it. I'm not this old. I don't know what a Roblox point is. What is this? What did I just do? Super Bowl! Who are you? What is going on? No. Try going up that weird trust.